Hello to all my new viewers and subscribers. In today's recipe we are going to be making these amazing Canadian butter tarts, which is one of Canada's most popular pastries and desserts. A lot of people make them different ways, and this is the way how I make it. So today I will be showing you how I make Canadian butter tarts. To begin making our Canadian butter tarts, we have some pastry here. And this is the same pastry that I used in the quiche, but it's just a little bit sweeter, and I will add the recipe for this in the description box. I removed this from the freezer about 30 minutes ago, and it should be fine to roll out. And this is good. If you have any breakage, you can just go ahead and you could tap it together, and it comes together very nicely. The pie shells are done, and I will place these in the freezer for about 2 hours for the butter to firm up and become nice and hard, because we are not going to blind bake these. So I'm going to pop them in the freezer for 2 hours, and then I'll get the filling going, and then we'll come back and assemble. Making the Canadian butter tart filling is very simple, and you don't need a lot of ingredients to do this. So to my bowl, I'm adding 2 eggs, 2 medium to large eggs, maple syrup, and this is half cup of maple syrup, 1 teaspoon vanilla, 1/4 cup of melted butter, the butter is unsalted butter, and I'm going to go ahead and add about 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of brown sugar, and to cut the sweetness just a little bit, I am adding 1 teaspoon of white vinegar. Now you're going to whisk this until everything comes together nicely. And with this, you want to go ahead and break up the brown sugar, because when you're measuring the 1 cup of brown sugar, it's supposed to be 1 cup of packed brown sugar. And it's okay if the butter isn't melted fully. Once it goes in the oven, everything is going to melt down and come together. And just for the final touch, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of heavy cream. And this is ready. Okay, so these are frozen, and they have been freezing for 2 hours, and they're nice and firm. I'm adding some raisins. You can add pecans to these as well, to each one. Or you could do a mixture of pecans and raisins. And I love toasted pecans instead of just plain regular old pecans. And these are going to be an amazing snack or really amazing dessert. And overall, this is half cup of raisins. To each one, I'm going to pour in the butter tart filling mixture. until it's about 3/4. And while I do this, you can subscribe to the channel, click that notification bell, give this video a thumbs up, and you can comment in the comment section and check out some of my amazing recipes that I have on this channel as well. I have a lot of baking, a lot of cooking. Overall, I have a lot of international cuisine on this channel. And we're going to do the last one. Okay, so these are ready to be baked at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes, or until the pastry is nice and golden brown and the raisin has floated with a slight crust at the top. These butter tarts are done, and what I like to do is just have them cool completely down before I enjoy them, or you can place them in the refrigerator for about an hour and then they will be nice and cooled completely to enjoy. And here you have it, Canadian butter tarts, my version. Thank you for joining. See you on another good day for another great recipe.